May yakap
Oo.
request po ako para sa laboratory, ngunit hindi tinanggap ng accredited lab. Ano ang dapat kong gawin? Ayun.
Okay. So, hawak niya yakap request. Assuming again, galing kay yakap doctor yan. Kasi yung mga yakap clinics, they can partner also sa mga accredited na laboratory as long as meron silang existing na agreement. No? Oo. Well, in that case, ipaalam niyo po sa yakap facility. Para ipaalam din, kasi that's between the partnership ng yakap facility and ng laboratory service, no, yung accredited laboratory, para ipaalam kasi ang magbabayad kasi ng services niyan is the yakap facility, and they're the ones who entered to that agreement. Tawag dyan service delivery support, because we allow that Not all yakap clinics naman meron silang laboratory equipment. So, magiging accredited pa rin sila as long as pumasok sila sa service delivery support or agreement with an accredited laboratory. So, isumbong niyo yan dapat sa yakap facility.
Ayun, isumbong niyo po ulit yon sa yakap tugon po ba yun? Tama,
Pwede sa yakap tugon at philat.gov.ph or dun mismo sa yakap facility kung saan niya nakuha yung laboratory request.